This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, in the gallery with a 10-inch by 10-inch canvas and Atelier interactive acrylic phthalo turquoise, which I have made a cell activator out of. I'm going to put that aside. I would normally use bloom paint, but this is an experiment to use some of the other cell activators also. I also got the rich gold and, oh boy, cobalt turquoise and the pale gold and the magenta. They're all interactive, and this is brilliant magenta. Anyway, so I'm going to try, I should have shaken that up. I'm going to hope that that works anyway. I'm sure it'll work, even though it wasn't shaken to begin with. Because you can flood coat a canvas with Floetrol. Gail Burst improved that. Let me grab my break out of the way. And I may put some more paint down in a minute. This is nothing more than, wow, Mead White with Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. And I want a generalized flood coat. And those filaments you see do actually dissipate when the paint dries. And I'm trying to get rid of this paint. Go figure. I haven't done my edges. This is mostly an experiment. I can always do my edges for something else afterwards if I want to. I think I'm going to bring the break back. This isn't the perfect paint to do what I really want to do, but this is what I have time for. So I'm going to give myself a puddle, and I'm going to grab some of my Colourarte colors. Primary Elements is Boysenberry, as long as I have the tab taken out. I'm going to throw a little bit of Interference Violet in there. I don't know what's going to happen with this. I don't have a plan at all, other than playing with cell activators. I'm using some colors I've used a lot lately. This is Passion. And Cerulean Blue, one of my all-time favorite colors. There is a 20% off coupon code underneath the video for Colourarte products. I could use some gold, but I'm not going to. So I also have Atelier Blue Black, which I want to use in combination with the gold. I'm not sure that the big palette knife is a good idea right out of the gate. So I'm going to go for the small one. And that's the Blue Black. This is the rich gold. Let's find out what's going to happen now. Take that break out. Make my mind up. Oh, those are nice, some nice cells. All right, let's keep moving and use different colors, because that's my plan, really. I've got the cobalt turquoise. That's going to keep turning if I don't put that break in there. Oh, it's so frustrating. Let's put it over here. All right, so I love how that blue black turned out. That was awesome. But now I'm going to use the phthalo turquoise. And let's get down and get funky. I'm going to use the brilliant magenta with it. Hopefully opening the top and not unscrewing the cap. Just sort of pushing enough and pushing and floating. So I'm moving paint on the surface but not digging into the canvas. I'm going to wipe that off. I am going to use the rich gold and the magenta this time. I'm just trying to get to know this stuff. I have Prussian blue too. That's next. I can tell you. I'm glad I chose the smaller palette knife, honestly. Give me more options to play with. Let me put away my other gold. Okay, so here comes the Prussian blue. And with that, I think I'm going to use more of the turquoise. Cobalt turquoise. Sort of chose my direction for me. I really want to go back and do another stroke, but I want to use all the colors. I don't know if I could even ever use them all in combination. Here is the light gold and the phthalo turquoise. I want to use some white. I have some Amsterdam white. They're all mixed with Aussie Floetrol. And I'm sorry about the break issues. I want an orange and I wish I'd bought one. I have some orange boom gel. That might work. I do often scrape my palette knife off right on the canvas because I want all my colors. Now I have to decide what goes here. And I'm thinking I want to try more of that rich gold, and I might want to try it alone. Now I can definitely put a skewer in here. Remember, this might be a lot better with pillow paint, which I did not use. Thinking. I like the light turquoise. Cobalt, isn't it? Yes, it is. And I'm going to do some more of that brilliant magenta again. Just a good all-around experiment. It took me like quite a bit of time to mix up all those colors, and I'm happy to report to you that they are all working very nicely, at least in my opinion. And if I have a straw, I might blow some things around. Make a few spirals, why not, after all. I'll be really interested to see how this dries. I do see a bubble and I will pop it. Now, because it's not pillow paint, I can actually torch this. And one of the reasons I did that was so that I could check and see what happens when you torch it. Loving all my color combinations. Don't mind my little spirals. I am looking forward to using the cell activators and using them in conjunction with a landscape or a seascape. or a combination. So let's torch and see how that goes. Right after I get rid of that one last space. It's speaking to me. I know I don't tell the truth when I say it's the last time. A few flourishes never hurt anybody. But the cells are tremendous. And people who say you can only make cells with cell activator with pillow paint are ridiculous. Sorry. You can make cells with cell activator, especially Aussie Floetrol, all day long. So that's really pretty. I think I wouldn't mind a little more gold in there. But for right now, I'm pretty sure that this is just going to be a quick experiment. And my colors are fantastic and my cells are excellent. And I don't have to tip anything because I have GAC 800 in all of my white paint and my Colourarte colors. Don't forget there's a 20% off coupon code for Colourarte products, which would be Prizm pores and primary elements and bling it and resin colors and resin and vivid enamel and vivid polypore. So this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery saying, hey, can I have a thumbs up? I'm not sure if this is going to shimmer or not because of the Atelier cell activators, but I can't see any point in not trying. Let me turn off this other light over here and we'll see. I am certain that the beautiful Colourarte colors that are in there, oh yeah, look at that. Woo! That's awesome. I have some solid patches, but that's okay because I love the cobalt. It looks like my camera might die in a second, so forgive me if I disappear suddenly. But otherwise, that one white line is bugging me. I probably could have left it. It would have been contrastful. Anyway, wow. If I see any more bubbles in a minute, I'll just pop them with a skewer rather than torching them again. This is fantastic. And what a fun experiment that was. Thank you for joining me. Thank you for your kind words and comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for your donations through PayPal that keep me painting and buying art supplies so I can continue to bring you more tutorials. I post 7 days a week at 3:15 right now, Eastern Standard Time. Look at those leopard cells. Ooh, these are sweet. I love the Atelier as a cell activator. I think it's the bomb. It worked wonderfully well. And I will be using it often, you can believe me. Alright, so I asked for a thumbs up. Can you share my videos? I'd really appreciate it. If you want to go shopping, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links are all in my link tree, along with Facebook group Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group for students, Society 6, and Legalerist Clothing made in Montreal that nobody ever goes to, but I wish they would because it's awesome. Anyway, so shop my Amazon link. It's on the link tree. You'll find my 2 books there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. I want you to take care of each other and take care of yourselves. I wish you all well. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in I give lessons and I sell my artwork. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. See you anon.